we're not able, oftentimes I'm seeing a patient with a life-threatening condition and their family pharmacists, so many others at the hospital provide. They're the ones that make the hospital.
And that happens when you have right number of patients.
Protect ourselves in our community. We learned last year that wearing a facial covering, it has changed our situation.
Take our chances. And so the expectation of a mandate
doesn't have the capacity to take care of everybody. The cars stuffed into their pockets, they fall on the ground, pick them back up again.